Hello everyone, welcome to the official YouTube channel of Ved International School, Sivaya, Rudki Road, Meerut. Today in this video, we are going to learn as to how to log in to the online portal of the school. So let's get started. First of all, for logging into the online portal of your school, you need a device. It can either be a mobile phone, a tablet, or your laptop. After choosing the device, you have to choose the browser that you are going to use. It can either be Firefox, Google Chrome, or any other web browser that you prefer. Now, here I am going to use Google Chrome. On opening Google Chrome, I will be able to see the search tab. In the search tab, I am going to type www.online.vismeerut.com. This is the link for the online portal. Don't worry, you don't have to remember the link. You will be provided the direct link on the WhatsApp group from where you can copy paste it. On typing the link in the search tab, you just have to enter. On entering, you will see an interface like this on your screen. On reaching here, you will have to click on enter. On clicking on enter, you will have an interface where you will have to enter your username and your password. So let's say I am a student of class 11 and I have a username student. Okay. And also I am going to type my password. So my password is, of course, it is a confidential thing. So I'll keep it to myself. Okay. After entering my username and my password, I have to click on login. On logging in, you will see that the dashboard will appear in front of you. On your dashboard, you can see all your subjects. Okay, so you can access all of the subjects according to your convenience and your schedule. Also on the dashboard, you see there are some reminders that you have for the upcoming events. Okay, and we also have the reminders for the live class here and here. You can see. Okay, so I hope you understood how to log into your portal. Thank you very much. Keep learning with Ved International School.